Yep. Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live, so you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch. Alright, so this is Tiblio, and it's an amazing online service that helps you find the best trading opportunities. They have multiple different screeners for credit spreads, bull and bear squeezes with a lot of trading activity, option sweeps to follow large trades and big money moves, and a lot more for your different trading strategies. There's a trading board so you can log all your trades as soon as you enter. You're going to get real-time alerts sent straight to your phone and get a good idea of your percentage of wins and losses. You're going to get access to fast market news on any stock, and that's valuable in itself. But the best feature is the community Discord group, where you can exchange trading ideas and get guidance from the Tiblio team. So you can sign up for $34.95 a month. That's less than a tank of gas, but make sure that you sign up with my link and get your first month for 20% off. All right, so make sure you check out Tiblio.
Foxtail from the D.
Wait. Oh, hold on. Okay, hold on. Can they hear me? Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. And this is our Sunday live chat where we just come and do a little technical analysis on a few stocks that you guys want to look into. So if you can see, I'm in a different location. I'm actually at a friend's house right now, but you know, we have to do what we have to do. We're gonna do some lives and see what's popping for next week. Now, of course, the stock market's going to be closed tomorrow, so we'll have a little rest, a little bit more time to reflect. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So who's in the chat? What's up, Jennifer? Hey, Lena. What's up? Carmel, Texas. What? 32. This is my first time here. Thank you so much for joining the live. What's up, Antoine? I keep losing money trading options. I'm just going to stop doing it. If that's the case, you probably should slow down. If you're having a string of losses, slow down and start paper trading. It happens. What's up, Carlene, Darren? Oh, I'm sorry. Let's keep it more positive in the chat. I don't want to talk about that. What's up, Courtney, Young Boss Nation? Zaria, that's a pretty name. And Jose. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get into it. I don't want to keep you guys too long. Plus, I have to be a good guest. So let's get into it. You already know what we're going to do. So just put in the chat the ticker symbol that you want to talk about, and we're going to look at that stock. Okay, what's up, Inner Winner? That's cute. That's a cute name. Mike Hill, what's going on? Gillian, Lisa. Hey, Lisa. Okay, so all right, Lisa's starting us off fresh. Okay, thank you, Lisa. So this is Ford. Let me pin this. And while I'm doing that, you guys, make sure that you thumbs up this video and make sure that you subscribe and click the notification bell. Okay, so see. Oh, Lord. Hold on, you guys. Okay. No, that's the wrong one. Okay, hold on, you guys. This is what happens when you okay, there we go. Boom. All right. So the first stock is going to be Ford. Okay, and another thing that really helps is if you let me know what position you're trying to take. So are you trying to do options? You trying to do stock shares? What's going on? What do you know? So, but yeah, I mean, obviously looking at Ford right now, it looks like it's in an uptrend. One thing that's interesting, just looking at it right here, is this high that we had. Wait, my thing isn't on. Hold on. This high that we had at this 25. So something that I would want to see is a possible breakout above that previous high. So right now, I mean, it's not that much, but this stock is not that expensive. It doesn't go up too much other than having some good catalysts and news and stuff like that. So right now we're at 25.19, and like I said, I would really, if I was going to be bullish on this, I would want to see a breakout above this 25 and going into 26. So that's something that I would want to look into for that. So just moving a little bit closer, if I was going to enter a position being bullish, yeah, I would probably have my entry probably around $25.30. And that's not too far off from where we are, but that's just kind of something that I would want to see. And then going back to the 180 one more time. Yeah. The RSI is it's kind of neutral. Not really. It's a little over neutral, but I don't know. That's just kind of something that I would want to see with this from Ford. Okay. Next, thank you so much for that, Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. Next, let's do this. Okay. Hey, Michaela, that's such a pretty name. So we're going to do Apple. Let's do Apple. Let me put this over here. Okay. Dang. All right. So this is pretty interesting. Now, if you remember, we had been trading Apple for pretty much a month straight, a little over a month. And I mean, hey, it still has that similar pattern that we were looking at. And we had some resistance up here at 183. It did not break above that. That's what we were anticipating. What was that, a couple of weeks ago? That did not happen. It did fall back down. But I would want to see one, you know what? Hold on. This is really interesting. Okay, so it did come back down here to this 160, this resistance that we had around there. And it looks like it's kind of starting to build its way back up. It briefly touched the 50-day moving average. What was this? Back on the 12th. So I don't know. I really kind of want to see what happens with this one. The RSI is looking pretty low too. So it looks like it's ready to continue in that uptrend for a continuation. So for me, if I was going to be bullish on this, I wouldn't get into it until I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to be completely honest. I wouldn't want to get into it until it was back up here to the 176. And the reason why is just because it has such a strong dip the past 2 weeks. So that's just kind of something that I would need to see to have some type of confirmation that that we can get back up here. One, get back here up to this 83, and then two, I'd really like to see a breakout above that. Once it breaks out above this 183, it's gonna be really nice for Apple. So that is that on that. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. This one looks cute. Thank you, Michaela. Such a pretty name. Clifford. Speaking of Clifford, when is P Valley coming back? What do you think about BBIG? Okay, so let's do that one next. Okay, make sure you guys click that thumbs up button for me too. Oh God, what is this? I mean, I see what you're looking at. Hold on. What did you say? What do you think about BBIG stock? I'm gonna be honest with you. It looks like a pump and dump, but I don't know what was going on. I don't know what earnings, because it was $2 and then it jumped up to this 12 and it's just been dropping ever since. So this isn't looking at any new, and then even it did have this little move up that we've had here. So I mean, I'm not sure what you're wanting to see from this. Probably a continuation upward, but like I said, it's really kind of giving me pump and dump. So I don't know. That's a good question. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. Okay, this one is from. Okay, what's up, Carmel? Carmel, Roblox. Okay. Okay. So, wow. Jesus. What is the question? What is this is I mean, this is definitely in a downtrend. It's been in a downtrend since that high of 144. When was this? This was back in November. So it's been in a downtrend. And one thing I do like to see is with this trend, it's definitely been riding these moving averages here. So one thing I would want to see, I'm definitely probably still going to be bearish on this. Now, you kind of see the RSI is a little bit low right now. So is this the best entry right now? I'm not sure. Because with the RSI so low like that, it could have a quick move up again, back up to the 50-day moving average, as you'll see in strong downtrends. So I would want to wait for it to move back up before I dropped again. So let me see. Mm. Yeah. Honestly, if just going into market open, I would probably, if you were just going to kind of, do something quick, I would probably have my entry set around 77. So it's a few dollars from where we are right now, but that's just kind of something I would want to see. And the stock moves a lot. It was just $90. What is this, back on Wednesday? So it's definitely had some moves. You just want to get in the right trend. So it moves, but you just want to be in the right direction. So okay, so that is that on that. Okay, thank you. This one gives me a little bit more information. Okay, so this is Roku. Well, it doesn't have the expiration date though, so I spoke too soon. But this is Roku, 310 call. So let's see. Mm. Okay, I think I see. I feel like I see what you're looking. So I feel like what you're looking at is the same thing that I just talked about on the last stock. So this stock has been in a downtrend. It's definitely in a downtrend. It was almost $500 a share, literally back in July, and now it's down to 167. So Roku has not been seeing a good time right now. Now, something that you would anticipate, audio stream's current bit rate is lower than recommended. Oh no. Hopefully the stream is going okay because like I said, I'm not at home, so I'm not sure, but hopefully everything's going smooth. I'm not going to keep you guys too much longer. We'll probably do I'll probably do three more. Three more, and then we can go ahead and do that. Okay, but like I was saying, so you can anticipate this moving up. Um, so something, okay, you said 300, 310. Damn, it's way out of the money. Really? 310? Damn. It the delta is zero. I don't know. You I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not 100% sure. And then this really isn't giving me a lot anyway because I think this is the first time I felt like this on live. Maybe it's because I'm out of my element. I'm a little nervous too, but I appreciate your patience. This one, I don't know. I'm just gonna say I don't know about that one. But direction wise, it looks good. It looks like it could have a quick move up in price and then continue moving back down. So something that I would have as far as an entry for this, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 167. For a little quick move up, I would really just kind of want to see a move up to 170 for a quick little, quick little hit before it started moving back down. So that's kind of something that you can look into. But as far as, and actually, what expiration date was I looking at? Hold on. You didn't tell me the expiration date. So you could be picking something further out. So let's look at this one, 21. See, this one looks it's a little bit more expensive, but The delta is still low. I don't know. I don't know, girl. Let's move on. Okay. Who said the super chat? Hi, G-Lo. Almost didn't make it today. Glad to be here. Can you check out Unity? Okay, let's do that. Thank you so much for your $4.99 super chat too, G-Lo. Thank you. Okay. So what's the ticker symbol? U? Okay. Let's change this over here. Did I change this the last time? I don't know if I did. Lord over. Okay, so this this is Unity. I'm not sure what your position is on this or what we're anticipating. Okay. Mm. All right, so this one is definitely in a downtrend too. It's trading below both of the 50 and 200-day moving averages. But one thing I do like about this is it has a pattern. So I don't know though. I honestly, I would want to trade with the trend. I know you can do a quick, you can get profit with quick reversals, but I feel like you can see longer and larger profits just by going with the trend. So I would probably want to be bearish on this one. And as far as an entry, let's see, 117. Now this is a little bit far off. Sometimes I feel like my prices are a little bit far off, but the reason I like to have it that way is I know if it's moving to that point, then we're probably gonna have more momentum. So as far as an entry for a bearish position, I would probably want to have my entry somewhere around this 113 to 114 to 113. So I would kind of want to see it drop, a few dollars before I was going to enter my position. And then, you okay? Okay. And yeah, these options, they're a little bit up there in price. So I don't know. I mean, you can do a spread, you can do a credit spread or something with that. Um, Iron Condor. So there's so many different options that you can do. Oh, and then the same thing. Who was that? The girl from the last one. What was the last stock we were looking at? Roku. To the person, if you're still on the chat, one thing that you can do with that one versus buying one that's further out of the money is you can do a spread with that. So a stock like that, hold on, let's go back. I think I'm pretty much done with this one. Thank you, Gila. Hold on, I just want to go back to this Roku really quickly. I want to see. Yeah, so something like that, you can definitely probably do a spread, a credit spread. So, okay, let's do two more and then I'm going to let you guys go for the night, okay? Who is this? Yolanda, you put me in my first put option for DraftKings. It was a good call. Thank you, girl. Thanks, Yolanda. Ooh, Lucid. My mom said Lucid has been doing a mess. Okay, let's do this. This is Sam Stone. Let's look at a little Lucid. Okay. Lucid Group. Okay. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's just kind of go to the 180. Ooh, it's doing okay. Okay, so one thing, Lucid call option. Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying because it's definitely in a slow build back up after it had this pretty good drop from 54 down to where it kind of side traded for a little bit around this 33. And you're kind of see we're having higher highs and higher lows. So this is a low here, 35. This is another low, 40. Is it about to blow up? That's a good question. So RSI is looking very, very nice. 48, that it looks like it's ready to like a rubber band. And I'm seeing a little bit of a breakout here too. It's kind of small, but I would kind of want to see a breakout above that 45. So we have a little bit to go. So as far as an entry for this, that would be really nice. I would probably want to have my entry around 43 to 43.50 because it moving back up to that would definitely be a good indication that we're continuing in that uptrend. Something even better, honestly, is If you had an entry of 45, I know that's pretty high, but seeing it move back past that, that's definitely a good indication that we're continuing in this brief uptrend that we've been in. So that's something that I would want to have for that. But that looks pretty interesting. Yeah, definitely a nice setup. So thank you for that, Sam Stone. Square. Ooh. Okay, let's do this one. This one is from Inasha Allah. Kind of reminds me of Inuyasha, which is an amazing anime. Let's see. Wait, what is? Oh Lord, I forgot Square's ticker symbol. Hold on, did he write it in here? That's why I asked you guys to put the ticker symbol. I don't feel like wasting time looking for this. What's Square's ticker symbol? I feel like I literally just saw it. It's I don't know. So make sure you put the ticker symbol so I can find it because I don't want to waste time looking for that. Hi Queen. Hey Ricky. Oh, SQ. Duh. I typed it in. Okay, thank you guys. And then somebody tried to play me in the what is that? Somebody on one of the lives they said she doesn't know the ticker symbol. Okay, free up my mental capacity. I don't want to waste my brain remembering things that aren't necessary. So look, okay, you said a put on Square. Let me see. Hold on. Where's the original comment? Shoot. Oh, Corey. Okay, we'll do that one next. Are you on the live, Corey? Okay. Okay. Uh. Okay. So you just said put. This is definitely in a downtrend, very strong downtrend. Now, this is similar to the last stock that we were looking at. Is this the right time to get into a bearish position? Probably not, because it looks like it could have a quick little reversal real quick. It could, it might. So something that I would want to, or you could monetize off of the quick, off of a quick call or something like that. You can do that too. But for me, I would kind of want to go with the overall trend. So I would want to be bearish. So I would have my entry probably, and this is a little bit far off, I know, but I would have my entry probably around this 129. So from 133 to 129, that would be a good indication to me that it's continuing in that strong downtrend, um, and that you're not gonna get wrapped up in that quick little bullish bullish reversal that looks like it could be forming. It could, because even just looking at the MACD histogram, look at that. It looks like it could be moving toward it looks like it's starting to move more towards the green. So obviously that's going to be bullish, and then a lower RSI. So as far as getting into a put right now, I would wait until I kind of started to see it move past that 129. So that's that on that. Okay, I forgot what number I said I was gonna do, but we'll do this last one. We'll do Tesla for everybody that loves the Teslas. And then we can wrap it up for tonight. But we really haven't even been on here that long, 25 minutes. I need to do right by you guys. I need to do better, but I'm not at home right now, so I appreciate you for being understanding. Okay. So this is the famous Tesla. Oh, wow. Okay, so one thing I know that you guys can probably already see, it looks like it could be forming a pretty strong breakout. And that's something that you can see with these lower highs and these higher lows. And yeah, that's something that I would kind of want to anticipate. And look how low the RSI is right now. Girl, Tesla looks like it might be ready to pop. And it would be great if it can get back above the, what is that, that high, that 1,250. So as far as an entry position for this, I would want to see, and this is a really good sign too. Another thing, it closed pretty close to the highs of the day, so that's really good. Um, so for me, I would probably want to have my entry maybe around 10. Shoot, this is kind of tight, but probably around maybe 10.50, a little bit over the high of the previous day, and the RSI is low on this too. That's pretty good. So that's kind of something that I would want to see with that. Zoom out one more time. Yeah, that looks pretty promising. So that's something that I want to see um, with Tesla. So, okay, you guys, I feel like this was a kind of a rough live, kind of a little all over the place, but we made it through. And I actually have some really exciting news for you guys coming up this week. So be on the lookout for that. I hope you guys have a great week and enjoy your Martin Luther King Jr. Day celebration, remembrance, and just be kind and trade well. So I will catch you guys on another video. Thank you so much for joining the live, and good night. Have a good night. Okay.